In this tutorial, we are going to model this mechanical block using Siemens NX. Now, before we start, if you are new to this channel and you want to improve your skills in SolidWorks and Siemens NX, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And let me know in the comments if you have any problems in SolidWorks and Siemens NX, and I'll be willing to help. Now, let's get right into it. Now, this is a third angle orthographic projection of the block containing these three views. This is the top view, this is the front view, and this is the side view. So these dimensions and views will guide us in order to model this part. So this is our modeling window. This is where we are going to start the modeling. Now, this is how we are going to start. We are first going to draw this base block. So we draw this profile and extrude downwards. So with the extrude feature directly, click on the extrude, come to sketch section, and we are going to use the XY plane. So this is already selected, click OK. And then we first want to draw a rectangle of dimension 90 by, since the radius of this arc is 20, the diameter of the arc should be 40. So we draw a rectangle of dimension 90 by 40. And we want to make this block symmetrical. So you have to make the rectangle symmetrical about the origin. So click on the rectangle tool and select the from center method. Come to the origin, click on it, and draw a rectangle of dimension 90 by 40. Click and release. Now we can zoom in by pressing the Control key, click on the middle mouse button, and then drag the mouse to zoom in. Next, you're going to round in this corner, so we add a fillet of radius 20 to all the four sides. You click on the fillet tool with a radius of 20. Click on this corner, click on this corner, click on this corner, and then click on this corner too. And then use a quick trim tool to trim the unwanted edges. Next, you're going to add these two circles, and they are separated by a distance of 50. So the centers of these two circles are separated by a distance of 50. And these two circles are symmetric about the midpoint over here. And then the diameter of the circles is 15. So click on the circle tool and then locate the midpoint of these fillets. Draw a circle of diameter 15. And then locate this midpoint also and click on it. And then drop the circle here. Now press escape to let go of the circle tool. Now with the rapid dimension, you have to check to see if the distance between these two circles is 50. So we can see this is 50. Now click on finish. And then you have to extrude by a distance of, looking at the side view, a distance of 10 millimeters. So you start at a distance of 0 and end at a distance of 10 millimeters. Extrude upwards and click apply. So this is the base block. Next, you have to draw this vertical block on top of the base block. And then we add the rim. So we draw a rectangle on this face and then extrude upwards by a distance of 30. So we draw a rectangle of dimension, looking at the front view, 40, and then looking at the side view by 10 millimeters, and then you extrude upwards by a distance of 30. So again, with the extrude feature, click on the sketch section. Now come and click on this face and click OK. We'll draw a rectangle, this time with the by 2 points method. Come on this line and draw a rectangle of dimension 40 by 10. And then you have to make the rectangle symmetrical about the midpoint. So locate the midpoint of this horizontal line. Come and locate the midpoint of this horizontal line also and give them a vertical alignment. Now click on finish. And we extrude upwards by a distance of 30 millimeters. Make sure the boolean is set to unite and click OK. Next, we add this rib to it. So the rib starts on this line and ends on this line. So locate the rib tool directly. You can click on the rib tool or come into the command finder and search for the rib tool. Now come to select curve, click on sketch section, and then you are going to make the sketch on the YZ plane. So click on the YZ plane and click OK. And with the line tool, the rib starts from this point and ends on this point. So click on finish. Now we can see the rib is symmetric. So the distance of extrusion, or the distance of the rib, is actually 12 millimeters, which is already here. And click OK. Next, you're going to draw this top feature on it. So we draw the horizontal bar and this cylinder, and we are done with the model. So you're going to sketch this profile and then extrude one by one. So click on the sketch tool, click on this face and click OK. First, we draw two circles, the outer with a diameter of 30 and the inner circle with a diameter of 20. So with the circle tool, draw a circle of diameter 30 and an inner one of diameter 20. And they should all have the same centers. Now you have to make the circle also symmetric about the midpoint. So click on this center of the circle, come and locate this midpoint and give them a horizontal alignment. And then the distance between the distance of the circle and this edge is 50 millimeters. So with the rapid dimension tool, click on this center and then click on this midpoint here. Give it a dimension of 50 millimeters. Next, you have to draw the profile of these lines in order to connect. So with the profile tool, make sure the lines are tangent to a circle and then connect the lines. If they are not tangent, you need to click on this line and click on this and give it the tangent relation. So we are done. So click on finish sketch and then you are going to start the extrusion. So first extrude this horizontal bar by a distance of 20 minus 10, which is the 10 millimeters over here. So click on the extrude feature and make sure it is set to region boundary curves. And then we start the first extrusion of distance 10 millimeters. Come and select this area and you're extruding downwards, so reverse the direction. Make sure the boolean is unite and click apply. Then you're going to extrude this cylinder. So since we made the sketch on this face, which is over here, you have to start the extrusion at an offset distance of negative 10 millimeters. So the extrusion will start on this face and end at a distance of 20 minus 10, which is the 10 over here, so that the offset distance of 10 millimeters plus this actual distance of 10 will give us 20 millimeters for the whole height of the cylinder. So we start the extrusion at an offset distance of negative 10, and then we end at a distance of 10. Now click on this region between the inner circle and the outer circle, and then click OK. Now we can hide the sketch by right clicking and clicking on hide. You can hide the datum plane also. And then in order to add color to the block, come to edit and then click on object display. Click on this object and click OK. Now come to the color, click on it, and then we want to change the color to orange. Let's see, and click OK. Click on apply. And this is the final model of this block. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you do not miss any tutorial upload. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.